Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best PiggyVest investment plans for high return in 2026. And here's the breakdown. If you want better return on your money in 2026 and you are using PiggyVest, there are few investment plans that stand out for beginners and savers alike. PiggyVest Invest, the core investment platform, lets you put money into diversified opportunity across multiple sectors like tech, agriculture, and more, with return that tends to beat standard saving rate. Another strong option is Portfolio Plus, which makes multiple assets in one simple bundle. It spreads your money across different investment types, so you get higher return potential without putting all your egg in one basket. So these plans are easy to start with. Start with small amount and track inside the app, which make them a great fit if you want high return while keeping risk balanced. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money tips and smart guide, and also comment which plan you would like to start with in 2026. And that's it.